All right, so this is about the feedback for the third class between May and Layla. And actually, overall, it was really good because I could just see that there's a relationship building between not friend, teacher and the student. And so it's not fast, it's quite slow, but it's okay, it's steady. So what I'm saying is here, what I see, actually, I watched the video until I think 50 minutes. And the problem is, first 10 minutes, May wasn't in the class and she was late, and I'm not sure why. Like, was she just late, or was there any technical issue? I'm not really sure. And about the like note taking or just the whiteboard using. So you're using Zoom and you're just using Zoom and you just write things on your screen and it's with mouse. And I don't think that's a bad thing, but I just want to mention that it's a little like looks a little unprofessional. But it's not bad. It's okay, as long as it's fast enough, then it's okay. But next thing is, you also say, what else is there? Yeah. So you didn't really. What I'm saying is, when I do the note taking like this in the class, then when I actually maybe I can just do the same. I go to YouTube and then maybe I'll just open the same thing you used in the classroom. And so let's say this part is
God.
important, then maybe I'll just print screen, like take a screenshot like this, and then I'll copy here on this page, and then I'll use it. Maybe I just say something important, and I'll just use the highlighter. The screen is really black, dark though, but still it works. And then I'll maybe use like this and change the color of the arrow here so that I know what I wanted to say about this end word. So yeah, that's how I would do. And it's because if I do so, then I can just at any time go back there and I can explain more, like pick up from where we left off, right? And the next thing is when you try to use Google to pronounce the certain word. I remember there was like Seaberg, one place in America or something. I don't know. But anyways, it didn't go well. It's because you pressed the microphone button, not the speaker button. So next time maybe you can press the right button then. And okay, so that's what I want to mention. And also one thing there, yeah. Class is one thing, and the next thing is one is class. What is class for? You teach students, so through class, student will learn what she didn't. That's the point. And this isn't perfect. That's why I always make the Quizlet homework. Why? Because what you learn doesn't remain in your head. You just need to practice more and then it will remain in your head, okay? So you need to make sure that happens. So when that happens, one must practice. That's the only way. So I would recommend Quizlet. So let's say I'll go to Quizlet and I'll use Excel file just like this and I'll open one. If May were my student, then I would have done like this. Maybe I make one file here. So let's just zoom them in and we'll see. So now the thing May needs to learn is that she needs to see the word and she needs to read the word, right? Then let's say maybe I can make it like this. So the question should be need. And she needs to know how to read it. Then maybe I'll say need or need or need. Maybe I say want. Then maybe this word will be want or want. And what else is there? I don't know. Some typical word that use don't. Then this should be don't or don't. So let's say I'll just let's go for 5. I think. What else? What else? Okay, else maybe else or else. And I can end or end. All right, so now we have one Excel file, and you go to Quizlet and make one here. So generate one, and you can actually copy and paste what you already made on your Excel file. So I'll just copy and paste this one, and then voila, that's how you do. And make it, of course, they ask, I'll say for May. It doesn't matter, you just do what you want. And you need to choose the language. This is English and this is Korean, so I'll go with that. And let's run the test. And let's go test. And of course, we don't want this happen, okay? Option and check out all the others, but then leave two, first and the last. And you'll answer with Korean, so make the test. And now you need to write it down. Want. And second, don't. Third, else. Fourth, and. Fifth, need. So let's see, yeah, look at that. So I know I'm good, I made it. And then what May needs to do is she needs to print out the test PDF. Otherwise, I don't know how she did it. Then make her send it to you and see the answer. Maybe she does this one in a weird way. I'll just do it. She said meet. And she said als. She said and. She said want. She said don't. All right, let's analyze it. So when you see this for test, okay, this is her test result. And let's see. I'll save it. All right, whatever. And this one, look at that. So she said meet instead of need. That shows that she doesn't understand how N sound. Then you need to make another sentence or question to fix that happen. Fix that from happening. So next is als, which means she probably understands E sounds like only. Then you need to make another example. And she said and is too honest. Okay, a sound like and. So she'll see the answer too, and accordingly she'll change her answers later. Okay, so want, but then she said want. So she doesn't know T sounds like t sound. Then maybe you need to make another example to change that one. So that's how I would do. Okay, maybe you just need to make some Quizlet set for her. All right, that's it for this time, and I guess I'll see your class today, and then I'll give you the feedback, or tomorrow. I'll just do it everything, do two classes at the same time tomorrow. I don't know. Okay then. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time then. Bye-bye.